Let's check it out. No sway. It's a gorgeous day up here at the cabin, and today in this video we're going to build a simple bench 8 feet long, enough to fit the whole family on there. That's the whole goal. I need some more seating back here in the backyard. So let's get started. I picked up 4 2x6s and 4 2x4s, $7 a piece each for the 2x6s and $4 each here. Came with a total under 50 bucks, 47 something. Since the boards are 8 1/4, we're just going to trim an 1/8 inch off each side to have a clean edge. Okay, we're going to build the frame. We're going to start with 2 2x4s at 94 inches. So we're going to need 4 blocks at about 12 1/2. I'm going to cut mine at. So now we'll just put these blocks in here and put the frame together first. After I lay it out a little better, right? To space your blocks out evenly, I spaced them about 32 inches apart. I'm running a little low on 2 1/2 inch deck screws, so I'm going to use 3 1/2. Use whatever you have. That's my motto. These frame pieces are 92 inches and it's set back 4 inches. So how this is going to work out, there's going to be a 2-inch overhang on each end so we can attach the legs on each side. Put a screw inside here to space out my slats all the way down. This block here and the block on the other end is going to allow me to tighten these up evenly before we flip it over. So I'm going 2 inches on the ends and 3/4. I have it where I want it. I'm going to put my weight on here and tighten up these real fast. And then the same thing on the other side. So now I'm going to cut my legs, 4 legs at 18 inches long out of this 2x6. And then I'll show you what we're going to do with them. The reason I came up with 18-inch legs is because look at this bench. This bench is about 10 inches off the ground. And this is horrible. We're going to take our legs and put them here on the edge of the frame. Right here is 4 1/2 inches. So I'm going to rip a piece for each side at 4 1/2 inches. And then right here, we pulled over 2 inches from the outside edge, down 10 inches. And now we're going to connect that line like so. Right here, we're going to taper the legs and give it a nice look. So here's what the legs look like drawn out with a taper. We're going to take this part off in the inside. This block right here is 4 1/2 inches wide by 8 inches tall. So now I'm going to cut these tapers and then we'll screw this stuff together. That looks pretty good, makes the legs look a lot better. A little style for a pretty basic bench. I don't have any clamps, so I'm just gonna put one of the end boards in first, and then this one, and then this one, and just keep them tight. What you think, girl, huh? What you think, huh? That bench is big for us, huh? Big enough for me and you and a bunch of other people, huh? All right, watch out, girl. Watch out. So far, this is my scraps right here, right there. I still have one more 2x4, And I think with this 2x4, I was going to make a couple sway braces because right now it's nice and strong. Over the years, this may want to give out, but you know what? Maybe something like this and cut this at a, you know, whatever angle that is. But I think I'm going to leave it just like this for right now. Let's check it out. No sway, no sway. Look at this. Oh, that's nice. I sanded it down with the 150 grit because that's all I had up here. Let me know how you would finish your bench. Are you going to paint it or stain it or just put a clear sealer on it like this? This is what I'm going to use, but no one wants to stick around and see me do this.